Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make gooey s'mores bars. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, so that's 14 to 15 whole full-size rectangles of your graham crackers, and you just want to pulse those into crumbs. I just use my NutriBullet. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, 1 cup of a light brown sugar, and you want that packed, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 7-ounce jar of some kind of marshmallow fluff or cream, and then you need 2 cups of some kind of chocolate chips. It says milk, but I'm using semi-sweet and milk because I didn't have enough, and that's 2 cups. Preheat our oven to 350 and line a 9x13 baking dish with parchment paper and make sure there's a little bit of overhangs. In a large bowl, we're going to whisk together our graham cracker crumbs, flour, baking powder, and salt, and then we're just going to set that to the side. In another large bowl, we're going to cream together our softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until it's combined. Next, we are going to add in the eggs and the vanilla extract and just beat that again until combined. Now let's add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients a little at a time until they are combined. My dough looks great. I did as much as I could with my mixer, and then I just did the rest with a spatula and by hand. So now we are going to take about 2/3, just a little over half really of this, and press it down into the bottom of our prepared pan. That looks good to me. So now I am going to take my marshmallow fluff and spread that over top. I just dolloped mine on there with a spoon and then just spread it out as best as I could. So now we are going to go ahead and add all of our yummy chocolate chips to this. That looks perfect and so yummy. So now we are going to just take the rest of our dough and we are just going to put dollops all over the top of our chocolate chips. You want the chocolate chips and the marshmallow fluff to peek through, so it won't cover the entire thing. This is ready to go into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until it is a deep golden brown. My dessert just came out of the oven, and I did cook mine for the full 35 minutes, so that just depends on your oven and how thick you put the top layer. But now we are going to go ahead and let this cool completely before we remove it and cut it into bars. Let me tell you, it already smells amazing. My bars have cooled down, so now I just remove them using my overhangs, and I'm going to cut them into bars. I got one here for taste tester, and guys, these are super gooey, so you might want to stick them in the freezer or the refrigerator or eat them with a fork. I mean, look at that. But taste tester doesn't want to wait, so hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That ain't for mine. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.